Forest paths hide not monsters, but practical troubles, slivers, bug welts, uneven ground causing missteps. Prepare for planned disruptions while hiking. Emergency supplies are vital companions. These small pouches handle problems from cuts to falls to minor injuries. Some kits even contain tools to fix damaged gear, keeping your adventure on track. In this video, we'll review top first aid kits, judging their ease of use, dependability, and strength. Let's begin our assessment. Equipped with supplies essentially for saving lives, the MyFAK VS8 kit is a great survival kit that will give you the feel of preparedness and safety with confidence. In addition to a 600D bag with a heavy-duty handle, it has a large zipper for easy opening along with Velcro and maul straps for attaching other items. Besides, this trifold design back panel can be torn away for ease of movement. Doesn't matter what your emergency is, whether it's bleeding or burning or any other major to minor problems. This bag contains all the essential items to help you in that situation. More than 100 supplies are kept nicely inside the bag to keep you all sorted. Also, in case of gear failures, specialty tools are provided as well, such as pen light, EMT shears, nitrile gloves, etc., which will ensure that your gear will remain functional. Ideal for longer hikes, the MyFAK First Aid Kit is an excellent pack of first aid and additional tools that will bring safety near your hand during an emergency. Stay confident in setting out on multi-day wilderness adventures with the Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Backpacker Medical Kit, which lets you pack all the essential needs for your and your friends' unwanted injuries while offering amazing value. It comes in a high-quality water-resistant bag designed to withstand even the most demanding weather conditions, whether it's raining, snowing, or hot and wet. This lightweight pack weighs only around a pound. For any uncertain injury, this first aid kit is equipped with enough essentials to give support. This kit contains large trauma pads to control bleeding, elastic bandages to stabilize sprained ankles, as well as backcountry medications and hospital-quality wound care, along with moleskin to protect against sicknesses and blisters. Besides, an abundance of items creates chaos when it comes to finding the right essential, and that's why this kit features Easy Care first aid system that lets you have organized contents according to the injury level. Being stacked with essential items while not spending a lot with the Adventure Medical Kit's Mountain Backpacker Medical Kit that brings the vital medication along with you to keep you safe and protected. Whether you're planning a hiking trip into the woods where you anticipate encountering uncertain terrains, you should be prepared for drizzle. The Adventure Medical Kit's Ultralight Watertight 0.9 Medical Kit keeps you safe while being waterproof. This first aid kit is equipped with 100% waterproof Dryflex inner bag, along with a water-resistant outback, in order to ensure two-stage water protection for you. Besides, water will also repel as it features a water-repellent finish for enhanced weather safety. Besides, this content supplies for your several uses, for example, trauma supplies for severe situations, wounds and illness treatment for occasional illness and minor accidents, and supplies to prevent blisters. If any of your gear breaks down, this kit also features emergency gear repairing tools to ensure that any unwanted appearance of tear or even rip will not stop your journey, no matter whether you're hiking besides a river or in weather when rain is an anytime encounter. Be ready with Adventure Medical Kit's Ultralight Watertight 0.9 Medical Kit that features safety with waterproofing. Pack all your first aid needs most compactly with the Coleman AllPurpose Mini First Aid Kit, which can be easily carried inside your pocket or bag. Coming in a reusable metal tin hard case, this kit is crush-proof and can withstand any impact. Besides, the kit is 100% recyclable as well, which is ideal for the environment. This small first aid kit contains all the common supplies essential for any of your minor hiking uncertainties. Its safety pins, butterfly bandages, antibiotic ointment, and so many other things will ensure that you don't stop moving even if injuries happen. Also, for you to find the case quickly, there are large first aid crosses embossed onto the case for greater visibility. Tackle minor injuries with the Coleman All-Purpose Mini First Aid Kit, a nostalgic tin of first aid essentials that will ensure compact design and functionality in the most efficient manner. Promising to serve a helping hand when no one's around, this Surviveware Small First Aid Kit is our favorite option for first aid, especially for your hiking uncertainties, which offer excellent organizing in a durable pack. This kit is made from 600D polyester, making it durable and robust in its price class, yet it only weighs about 1 pound. Additionally, its small compatible straps make it possible for you to wear the gear on other bags or belts. Plus, the bag is waterproof, so anything inside this will remain protected in any weather condition. This kit includes 100 essential life-saving items that will help you during emergencies, including bandages, an emergency blanket, splinter probes, and numerous others for adequate support. Each inner sleeve is sorted according to its functions. Therefore, during stressful situations, you can easily and quickly retrieve the essentials you need and then replace them in orderly fashion. Additionally, there is a separate zip pouch for your prescription medication. All in all, the Surviveware Small First Aid Kit contains all the right first aid components to provide you with maximum support in any uncertain situation. BLS Essential Ready Kit may seem like a tiny box of Pringles, but this compact survival kit has the most essential gear items one will need to survive. For example, who would have thought its small canister would fit a wire saw to cut down anything blocking your way? But that isn't everything, as it also features a razor blade, a 25-foot rope, and 8 feet of survivor cord to support its user through any tough situation. Afraid of getting lost? Well, that won't be an issue, as it's got an oil-filled compass to safely drive anyone out. Stay prepared on those boat adventures with this Rescue Kit Pro, a complete survival kit from ACR. Inclusion of the most popular USCG approved rescue flare makes this kit more dependable in the middle of the ocean. But just the flare won't do everything right, and that's why this kit also comes with ACR's most reliable communicator, the Rescue Link, so users don't find themselves stranded in the middle of nowhere. Besides all these tools, Rescue Kit also features the Global Fix VR ACR Distress Flag, a signal mirror, a Hemi-Light 3, and whatnot. This is essential too, a full-fledged emergency survival kit system from Uncharted Supply Co, as recommended by professionals. Now, unlike most of its peers, this one doesn't include any bust to increase your bulk. Instead, it gives you just what anyone will need during their adventure. For example, basic items like a Mora knife, a first aid kit, and a 550 paracord will do countless tasks for you, while tools like a lantern and a pencil headlamp will keep the way clear. Most importantly, its emergency tent perfectly retains body temperature to keep its user warm no matter how challenging the situation gets. Here's the UPAC Pro, a complete package from Instinct ready to survive anything harsh anyone can virtually face. According to Instinct Ready, this one's arguably the most versatile, functional, and practical to make 2 people survive for 72 long hours. In addition, super handy tools like a foldable saw, shovel, LED flashlight, multi-tool, and waterproof matches are included to utilize your survival instinct. Then comes other essentials like food rations, water purifiers, clothing, shelter, and a first aid kit to survive the wilderness like a pro. The 72 Pro can be anyone's go-to all-in-one survival system by none other than the Uncharted Company. Featuring an ultra-durable backpack to carry over 60 professional-grade tools, this survival kit can easily make 2 people survive for 72 hours. From emergency medical supplies to necessary communication devices to a comfortable living shelter, everything comes well organized in this survival kit. Furthermore, its Empire knife has a super strong, full tank construction and a reliable grasp to slash anything needed, while its foldable shovel can even do heavier tasks like a pro. Planning on an overlanding trip? Be sure to take this Deckton Pathfinder Survival Kit along. Its name should already explain the collaboration of Decked and Pathfinder Survival to deliver users everything practical for their survival. Furthermore, it features a super rugged crossbox that can endure rough impacts to keep all those gear items safe inside. And speaking of gear items, this survival kit comes with more or less everything one will need during those demanding adventures, like a Mora knife, a foldable saw, medical supplies, a ferro striker, and whatnot. Now Companion is another complete all-in-one kit from Rhino ready to rock anyone's adventure. Skillfully crafted with full resistant 1200D micro-hex fabric, this backpack is also bonded with waterproof construction. As a result, it can be just the perfect companion no matter what challenge nature throws. From food to first aid to warmth, everything gets covered with this Rhino ready companion. 11. SE10 Can, another compact one with some crucial survival gear and gadgets. At first glance, anyone will impress to see how well organized all the tools are, making it easier to locate and use each tool. An SE Candy Room knife is also included for the most reliable cutting performance. At the same time, other smaller items like fire starting and emergency tent, water purification tabs, and a signaling mirror can save anyone from any challenging situation. This MS5 Survival Kit is a unique one to be added to this list. Why so? Well, except for including your own fire bed, this survival kit features a bunch of survival capsules to keep those gear items. Then come super helpful tools like a GPS tracker, a USB charger, a knife, an LED flashlight, and whatnot. Now, although it doesn't come with all those food rations and all, but it does have all the fishing accessories to treat your stomach. So that was all about the 5 best first aid kit